2010 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, OnStar, backup camera, stability control, keyless entry, DVD system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax